What is up, New York session? I hope you guys are ready for another one. Myself and Jev back once again, guys. Let me know if the music is too good or if it's too loud, if we're too loud, too soft, if you guys can hear us nice and clear. And then, guys, we can start talking about everything. Alright, let's see what the guys been talking here.
For your note.
CPI, unbelievable. Who else killed CPI? CPI was crazy. I was too scared and just sat on my hands on this one. Good afternoon.
Perfect.
CPI killed. I made a nice bit of money today. Good afternoon. Printing money. I'm just a spectator. CPI murdered on my end. Alright, guys. From myself and Billy. Your boy went 4 for 4, guys. 4 for 4. Gave you guys some hints this morning as what I was looking for, and we didn't hesitate. We literally annihilated CPI. You guys can see there, absolutely destroyed it. Good day for us on the markets. So yeah, your boy went 4 for 4 again. So I'm chilling now. We gave it to you guys. As I said, was going to be trading it, just didn't stream it this time for you guys. But glad some of you guys, if you maybe got some of the hints this morning of what I was dropping for you guys. But if not, you guys can always catch the next one. But alright, we're going to give it a little bit for a few more guys to join in, and then we'll start getting to things, guys. Alright. Sounds good. Perfect, brother. I'm glad I didn't trade because I thought dollar would have gone up. Jex, I gave you the idea this morning that dollar's dropping off, bro. Dollar's gonna get weaker. Got smacked. I passed phase 1 with the news. 100%. Always gotta back yourself, guys. My TP was 34, but they closed at 34,580. Fantastic. Yeah, it's always good when your TP gets slipped, eh? I had your steady longs from London and TP hit at 34,750. Keegan, please break down post CPI. What can we expect on the dollar? Definitely more dollar weakness, guys. So you might get a little bit of drawback on the certain pairs that you traded, but you will be seeing dollar weakness coming in. We can just chill this market open now, lol. 100%, guys. Let the shit talking begin. Nah, I'm joking. We'll still look at some charts for you guys. We caught that. What we'll be looking at for today, we are going to get into that OPI game. So what we do, so that's we do, but the gold and US30 or not. Overpower, I have no clue what that sentence is, bro. Car culture, DXY broke the low, lol. Yeah, so it definitely is going to be a tough one out there for the dollar now. But alright, guys, so let's go into the dollar. Let's start it off. We can see dollar weakness going all the way at the S5 now, so we can see what is going to happen there. If we go over to the 4 hour, as I said, we 100% were going for this. That was already first on the line because we said we're going for this gap fill. We had to take this out. We've now taken the low. If you guys remember, I said to you, as much as this bullish momentum was happening, it was all just retracement. If we take the fib from the candle that started the bearish push to where we were there at the previous low, 50 on the dot of your retracement, okay? So that's where we confirm this was all just retracement. This wasn't bullish momentum. It wasn't a change of character. It wasn't a break of structure. It was just the pullback. And there you see that bearish push down again. So right, we are now, as I said, with that CPI coming out like it did and as we expected, we can already change bearish. So all the pairs I was neutral on, we will go opposite. So gold, for example, neutral, we will go bullish. So as we said, we were just waiting for that. We had an idea on what we wanted. We were just waiting for the confirmation, and that is all. But alright, back to DXY. Have some alerts going off, but we will just ignore that for now. Yes, what the hell is going off on my phone? But yeah, that is just that, guys. So let's just see. As a DXY definitely can still be mounting down for a while. we need to look here on the daily. If anything, you might go down to this S2 area over here, but as I said, we might get a bit of a pullback still, just to go back to this weekly supply and then carry on a little bit more till for the day. As long as we don't think it will happen, but we should still close below these lows for the day, and that will be all we really are looking for. So DXY bearish. Now we go over to gold. Gold going bullish. We can see that again, as I said to you, just for gold to really get that strength, we wanted to get this pivot point, because we wanted to get above these highs to close for the day. Get above. We know as long as we close there, we are bullish. We can come back to retest this tomorrow to continue back up. All right, so let's go to the 15 and let's see here, guys. If anything happens on market open, we're gonna see maybe on the 5, if we change over with market open, we might still be able to get something here. So already this is a nice break of structure. We could have got the buys here, but I won't take that now with market not open yet. So we're just going to wait a little bit more for that one. But again, we can look at this weekly pivot area to continue long on gold. A lot of people, I think, are going to try short and go back for the sells. It's not going to happen. So just watch out for that one. Nas, okay, Nas is the big one now. We're going to watch out for Nas and US30. They've had their massive pushes, but again, they can drop very quickly because of volatility in them. So again, we're just going to watch out for these. But on the day, I think we will still stay bullish. The big move really coming out of the day already. So if anything, we might see something just have a little bit of rejection. Let's just see to the side here. Can we see any areas that we can look for some structure off of? We can see that little rejection area there on the 4 hour. So already I think that's going to be our best bet. So already that we can mark that out. We can go 4H rejection. So we'll just keep an eye on this. Again, can turn support. So we will just see what happens there. Okay, as that is also the key area we're at. We can even see something happen like this. We can pull down and actually use the resistance as support now. But we'll keep an eye on that one, guys. So let's go over there. Now let's go to the 15 on US30. Should be something very similar. What the hell is going on here? I don't know, but okay. Alrighty. Okay, moving on. Let's see, US30, same thing, guys. We can already see on daily, we got some areas here to watch out for. We obviously got these daily highs, very strong highs up here, but I don't think we're going to go up to test those areas just of yet. Purely just from where we are starting to push from, that would be quite a very big, very aggressive move. We could look at something like that, these type of daily highs over here, but even on the weekly, let's just go over to the weekly. We could maybe still see a massive push coming in when we look over here, but we do have a weekly key area here, so that we can do this now, and we can mark this off as a weekly key level, just to keep an eye out for what price does there. So when we drop down to the day, we can see obviously that was rejection points, flip areas. So yeah, on the 4 hour we can look for that just to be a little bit of a rejection point for us. And something similar, start using the rejection, the R2 as support to do something like that. But again, we'll just keep an eye on, guys. There's markets are going to be very volatile for now, as they have literally all this to do. The correction might come in now with market open with the volume. But for me, that is everything from my side, guys. That is the machine gun analysis. Jeff, what are you looking at, bro?
To be honest, not looking at anything. My entire plan for the day has been thrown out the window, so I'm just waiting on pullbacks now. Prices moved, shifting structures, so literally I have to wait for those pullbacks before I can actually get the reaction. So on EU, I want to see a pullback down to buy, but I doubt it's going to come all the way back down there today. Same on GU. On GU, potentially, if the pattern does hold, we could see a short-term sell. And yeah, pretty much it from my side, guys. I'm honestly not gonna force anything.
Nah, that's good, bro. That's good. But yeah, let's just be patient, guys. See what we can get. Basically gonna wait for market open. But let's get into this. Buy the dip mentality on Nas now, lol. Are you expecting a pump when the market opens? No, I'm not. You might see a bit of volume come in, but not really a pump. Why does Volt cancel buy stops or sell stops on news events when triggered? Bradley, so firstly, is that on Volt or Volt Funder? Secondly, I'm guessing if you're doing that, you over leveraging. So my first thing is going to be that you actually put a lot size, that your account doesn't have the equity to actually open a lot size that big. So I'm guessing because your theory is you put a stop sell or a buy sell or whatever the case, to make sure if the market goes that way, it would trigger it and obviously jump with it. Where again, if it triggers it, it basically voids the trade, because again, either you don't have enough equity to open a lot size that big, or secondly, there is news, so the trade is going to be slipped, so entry won't be carried through and executed, neither will stop loss, neither will TP, so the whole trade becomes invalid and invoid. If you want to trade it, enter before news if you want to trade news. That is hedging, mate. Exactly. Best way to trade news days is to get entries during London, in my opinion. Yeah. For example, gold. If you wanted to trade gold, London session, you were by the Asia lows. You could have obviously entered gold already. Yeah, even Asia lows. If you were there and just holding the whole day, you would have caught the move. Maybe we'll push the TM for people. For TM for PPR. We'll see. DXY coin minus 1%. Yeah, that thing's down, eh? It's in the dirt. US30 currently in a weekly order block. DXY also broke lows, so we can definitely expect a drop. Yeah, definitely can expect a drop. Can I download one of the previous videos? The previous videos of what? Car culture, what? Bro, what are you talking about? Guys, 172 viewers, only 43 likes, guys. Let's get those likes up. This is one of the big reasons I didn't trade CPI live for you guys. We spoke about it in London session. We don't ask for much, guys. We don't ask for you guys to charge you anything, nothing like that. Literally just for likes. That's all we ask for from our side, guys. Help the channel grow, help us grow. We can all trade and make money together. I'm gonna prop stayed away from news. Total is minus 0.23 for the day. That's good, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong at all. Sadly, I can't be here during London. It's 2 AM for me. Oh no, yeah, that's hectic, bro. Videos of the opening bell. Yeah, you can. You should be able to download them. I'm sure you should be able to. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just checking something, yeah. Bro, like they're in the same freaking league. Like they're in the same league. All right. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Tev, shout out for putting me on Luno. Managed to withdraw yesterday. As you say, guys, could have got a buy in here already, but I can't take that out of market session. Euro JPY soon, 165, 169 like this. Jeff, what's your Instagram profile?
At JJ Davis. I'll just drop it in the chat. You can just search that and you'll be able to find me.
Have you ever traded oil? I did once and blew my account. Nah, I will never ever trade oil.
Oil is a baby. If there is a lot of geopolitical factors which drives price, it's a pretty interesting pair to trade, but also not really something I dabble in every day. Yeah, I feel sad for missing my geo trade.
We're gonna see now, guys. We're just waiting for market open. See if dollar can try fight back at all. Give us actually something to trade on. Keegs, gold. I've already done for the day, bro. I'm already done for the day. I caught this, yeah. Literally, was it 150 stop? Oh. I caught that, bro. I'm done for the day. I'm out, my man. I'm just here to give some banter. Maybe I'll take a trade on my other accounts. But for me, I don't need to force anything today. I've had a great day. I'm just waiting for Anton, my brother, to rock up. Because he loved talking about our trades today. So we want to show him today's trade. Did you catch anything on stream? No, stream literally started 20 minutes ago. We were waiting for market open. I said to the guys I wasn't trading CPI with them. So no, I trade CPI off stream. I showed the guys literally my account, which it was caught on. But no, nothing on stream. Love the new 1/6 keys. I appreciate it, bro. I must say I'm really loving the car. It's a nice daily. It's comfortable. It's got a little bit of Vuma in her. It's a beautiful car. I must say I'm really enjoying it. Got mad slippage but caught the bar. Oh, awesome. Glad to hear, Minty. Euro JPY, any sell possible? I don't look at currency pairs now in New York. If Jay wants to look at it, that's up to him. But I don't look at currency pairs now.
I'll do it for you. Don't worry. I have nothing to do right now.
You see what the problem is? That means I still have to go over to it though now. Because you can't see Java's screen.
Euro yen is in one of my supply zones. But so it's at a supply zone on the weekly supply zone, but the thing is, on the weekly there is fair value above that for literally about 400 pips, so it could still go all the way up. So I wouldn't necessarily be looking for sells right now at this moment.
Alright. Acumen, do you trade CPI proactively or reactively? Both. I can trade it either way. Not too late to trade it for a 7R, then we can twin. Yeah, unfortunately, bro, I won't have one of those. But my boy, Jabba, okay, he's not behind me anymore. He's down the office over on that side. He has a nice, beautiful white 7R. So you're more than welcome to twin with him. We have had Fed bar speech at 3 GMT. I caught gold from your analysis. Could I hold as a swing trade, Keegs? You 100% could. This thing won't go down. If I was you, I'd just go stop loss to break even. If you want to hold it, I'd say your first TP 1976. That's your first TP. But yeah, it goes stops to break even if you do want to hold for that. I think the retracement will come when Fed speakers speak. They will talk down the market because this is crazy. It will be a quick retracement, guys. I'll say it's just gonna be a retracement, but the markets are going these directions though. Yeah, Euro Yen can go 400 pips from here because now BOG won't intervene when UJ has dropped. How does CPI go, Keegs? Your boy went 4 for 4. We don't miss, bro. We don't miss. So that's why I'm super happy today. I don't need to force anything. Yeah, I made mad profits today, so I'm happy. Mine is white as well. Okay, thanks, Geeks. Bring him in. He has excellent taste. Yeah, the bro, he's actually behind me. He's actually going to take his first. We're going to see if he'll take his first trade on his live account today. But yeah, beautiful white 7R. Actually had it done now. He's stage 2, all of that. So also plays around with it. Quite a nice little toy. Alright guys, 7 more minutes till market open. Basically 6 minutes actually. But we will see. Nas holding here at the 4-hour rejection area marked out. US30 just basically at the R3. Gold still going up. So I think we're going to keep an eye out for Nas and US30. Maybe we'll catch a sell in here with the retracements. Did you get the crazy bottom wick on gold on news? Only some brokers did. I didn't get it. Yeah, I didn't get it. Same. Ask him where he modded it at. I did mine at Rogue. He did his at... Hold on. Jabba, where'd you have your card tuned? Yeah. By Amish from Euroworks. Yeah, Amish from Euroworks. He did all the work on his car. Car culture. Yeah, because he's also got a 7R, also white. Yeah. But he's tuned at Rogue.
No, I just have Rogue's downpipe.
Yeah, so yeah, if you can't hear him, yeah, he just has a Rogue downpipe on his car. Do you think you'll find any opportunities after this massive spike? Well, guys, we are going to wait to see if we can get something. Nas US30 boasts at key rejection areas, so we might be able to just catch a little bit of a pullback on it. Bottom wick to 1938 on my broker. Almost shit my pants. Yeah, bro, that I think a lot of people, but a move is so quick. I think a lot of people wouldn't have even actually like felt that quick drawdown because it literally was so immediate. Like I always talk about like a stop loss and those things can't be tapped in, so even if you had a stop there, I don't think I would have even activated it because it kind of would have hit your stop and then turned around before it would have realized. They're dope as well. Racing, line stage TCU and TCU. Buys on EJ. I don't know, ask Jeff. I told you I'm not looking at that.
Buys
Rogues
on
exhausts are elite.
buys on EJ, you can't buy so high. The idea of trading is to buy low, not buy high.
Yeah, there we go. So no buys on EJ.
Unless you want to have 1,000 pip stop loss.
It didn't, yeah, so lucky because slippage would have sucked. Yeah, bro, that would have been bleak. That would have been bleak. Same exhaust setup as me. Love that we can put some two VW lovers in touch with each other.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's. Dude, I'm actually gonna go pour myself some now. I'll bring for you, don't worry. Yeah, we can.
So now, instead of catching a falling knife, we need to pull the rocket down. Yeah, it sounds impossible, guys, but we can do anything. We got to stop that rocket X from taking off.
Yeah, naughty.
Do you think there's possible Nas flies all day? Could be, but I'd like to see a bit of a pullback. What's good, boys? Had a few days off for my birthday, ready to get it today. Awesome, man. Happy birthday, or happy belated birthday. Slippage took 20-ish pips off me, but I got a little bit of change and dropped in the drain for my kids to feed. There we go. Got stopped out on CPR. Hey, Keeks, how much were you slipped at the CPR? I don't know. I didn't really get slipped. Was straight into profits, and then I just closed when I was happy. Laugh myself. Sounds great. I will check them out. Have you tightened? Okay, well, he'll answer that one when he gets back. For my opinion, indices will open with a pump. What are you expecting from open? I'd like to see the dollar just try to fight back a little bit, and then take it from there. Thanks to you, my bro. I have the low. Okay, again. I'll let him know when he's back, bro. He'll reply to that. Yeah, these pairs really can just pump, guys, but 100% dollar is just going down, so we're just going to wait and see what we get exactly. Yeah, your VW lover is messaging you.
What's it messaging you?
Yeah.
What in the chat?
Yeah.
Oh no, who's bank file? I also have popcorn folder.
Popcorn file. FOMO is real today. Yo, guys. That was a good one.
Who's getting FOMO?
Minty. Bro, you know, I don't think anyone has more FOMO than Jabba yeah behind me.
What?
This man sat next to me, literally next to me, and watched me trade CPR.
I was your cheerleader actually.
He was my cheerleader.
No, Delta says it's only a race mode.
Yeah, Jabba says it's only a race mode though, or in race mode. But right, guys, markers are open. Round 2, fight. What is this? I do not need that. Alright, let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. US30 and Nas. Okay, US30 trying to, looks like it wants to come down. And Nas going straight up again. How much percent do you risk when trading CPR? I'd say like 1.5%. The move's so big, so I risk 1.5%, but I'm risking it over a small amount of like spread, if that makes sense. So I have a much smaller stop loss than what I normally would. So obviously my RR becomes a lot higher.
The marks are really kak right
I'm
now.
watching an American guy on YouTube. One chatter went full leverage on sells and posted his trade on Discord. Lol, I didn't hear from him again. Sounds like Mr. Bankroll. Man goes full port and then disappears. When we fill in the candle, I'm saving ammo for the cells. Alright guys, remember it doesn't just work like that. So gotta be a little patient here. My goal for next year is to make enough to get a G80. The Beamer boys keep thrashing me here in Cape Town. Man's going big here with a G80. Yes, this. Are you going to trade gold today? I am, but obviously, just for example, right now, the biggest thing we can watch is dollar, because dollar will give us insights on what's going to happen with Nas US30 as we do still have the 15-minute market shuffle. So that's what we are just watching out for. Hi guys, Keegan, do you put buy stops in for news events because that thing shot up in split seconds? No, I don't do buy stops or sell stops. Because your entry, if you guys know me, I will always preach to you, I will never take a half-assed entry. If you have a buy stop, your buy stop will be slipped. So it won't ever give you the entry you actually wanted.
What's your thoughts on Nasdaq, geeks?
I'd actually like to get a sell, funny enough.
So, okay, cool. Shit, after this, I'm traumatized. Me too. Just waiting for change of character. After fair value gap. Nice inducement as well. 3 pumps to the high.
Okay, Nas holding that 4-hour rejection. Guys, if I'm UGP, can I come chill and take trades with you guys? Yeah, you can come chill here and take some trades with us every now and again. Trade alone is boring and depressing. Yeah, bro, that it really is. That's kind of why like we started doing this. So like if you didn't know, if you didn't go watch like that first podcast episode, we actually spoke about it there when I joined the office with Chris and everything. Yeah, DXY carries on, guys. Maybe we even get a buy on Nas. Maybe we even get a buy. That'll be quite interesting, but hey, we'll go for it. I watched it, I feel you. Yeah, bro. So that was just my little thing on it. Obviously got bored sitting at home and stuff. I'm up for there, boys. My heart can't take it. All good, Minty. We'll see you tomorrow, brother. We will see you tomorrow. We'll see how this Nas trade works out here, guys. Maybe we actually go long. How's renters and PE like a 2-bedroom apartment by the coast? So there's actually like lack of places I want to look for, bro. Where are you from? Let's just get this through straight, because then I'll tell you if this is already gonna be better for you or not. I'm thinking of doing the same as you guys maybe in a year or two. I banked on gold 1.8. Is that 1.3k. I'm from Botswana but stay in Cape Town. Okay, bro. So if you're coming from Cape Town, you can pay cheaper and still get better, or you can pay the same and literally live like you're in Miami. Like that's the level we're looking at here. Yeah, because I was in Cape Town for a while, so I know exactly. That's why I asked that question. So if you're coming from Cape Town, you're paying Cape Town prices. Yeah, you literally, like I say, you can either save money and still live better than you are now. Otherwise, you can still keep that same lifestyle if you're okay with that, but you'll live like you're a flipping rock star. Yeah, bro, property in Cape Town is so expensive. Like, stupid expensive. Like, if I tell you so, like, what I was looking at when I was moving back, so we basically had like these little apartments, and like you look at like 8K, and that's like a student's apartment. So it's a walk-in, it's a 1-bedroom, everything's open plan. So like you just have the bathroom that's obviously closed off, then you have the kitchen, little lounge, bedroom, and it was like 8K in Claremont. Then I literally, when you come here, I was like, oh no, I'll look at like the same price, like I was gonna do like 9K, but 9K I was gonna get a house in an estate. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, lounge, bra, entertainment area, outside pool area, double garage. So yeah, it was actually like, it's a big difference, bro. Morgan Spencer, bro, what's your opinion on XAG? What is XAG? Jeff?
Sorry, yes?
Do you know what XAG is?
Silver.
I do not trade silver, so I have no opinion on silver.
Yeah, silver always has massive spreads.
Cape Town is ridiculous, 6 to 10 for a 1-bedroom, 100%. Whereas in PE, you can get a house for 10K, literally. Damn, for 9K, bro. Bro, if I had to show you, there's a place now that opened up on the beachfront. Like I said to my missus, like I wanted us to move there so bad. Like it is beautiful. That's what I said. It literally looks like you're living in Miami. And I think the most expensive place is like in that apartments is like 12 or 30. Actually no, I'd say 14, 15. Okay, but that's like penthouse, super modern. It's like a home, smart home, everything like that, like crazy. Where like yeah, you can get cheaper, but like that is stupid, and that's like on the flipping beach, like penthouse, like super high security, smart home. Yeah, so madness. No, bro, for you'd be able to get that same thing. I'll literally tell you the name of it now. Okay, 15-minute shuffle is nearly done, guys. Then we can get into that. I'll tell you exactly what that place is called now, bro. Like, I love it. I literally wanted to move there myself. But the missus were like, nah, we can't because they don't allow pets. So I was like, oh, bleak. And that's a fight I know I'm not going to win. Trying to talk the missus out of the pets. But also I love my pets, so I wouldn't leave them. Okay. Well, obviously it looks like it's actually gone up a little bit now. But again, that's purely because of how popular they were. When I was looking at it is when they just opened. But now you're looking at 18. The apartments are called the Aquarella. Aquarelle. The Aquarella. Yeah. But super nice. Like obsessed with them. Bro, I pressed buy and within 3 seconds I was up $100, closing full, complete luck. Oh, awesome, bro. How is it safety concern there though? The only reason I came here is because of the safety, to be honest. Screw the dog. Yeah, guys, safety here, you really, it's not bad. Obviously, same as Cape Town, bro. Like, you got your areas, so just don't go in those areas and you're fine. Like, on my side, I live on the complete opposite side of PE to Summer Strand, the beachfront, but super safe. I stay like
Come on,
10
Keeks.
minutes away from Chris.
Come on, Keeks. Gotta be honest. Is Lorraine really safe
Yeah,
with all the break-ins?
I've never had a break-in.
Okay, but
Never had a break-in. I haven't had a break-in in my street. Not a robbery. Nothing.
oh shit, you guys are lucky that side.
Like never.
Wow.
So we still own that house, and yeah, never ever had any issues there.
So it's on our side where they break in.
Yeah, no, okay. That's what I say. Like the areas. So like your side,
Peter Bossekan.
even Pizza Boss side, like closer there, 100%. Yes. Closer there to the horse riding club. Yes.
Okay.
Even areas of like a little bit further that way, more to the Kammer Heights, Kammer Park, 100%. But like where I am, like, yeah, literally, like, that's not a lie, guys. Never ever had a break-in, a robbery, nothing. Not in my whole street. But it's a very quiet neighborhood where I stay. So I used to get a lot of hate because we were like the only youngsters in this very like old people area. So having the sports cars and stuff, yes, so I was like I stood out. Definitely stood out there. Just saw the building, looks amazing. That same apartment would be like 30k. Yeah, exactly, bro. You stay in an estate. No, I stay in it's a freestanding house, but I stay like 10 minutes away from Chris now, and Chris is in an estate. There is two estates around my house, so there is estates in that area, but I'm not in an estate. Keys, have you heard about the Balaclava boys? They were a group going around Western Cotswold breaking into houses with machetes. I must say, honestly, I have heard about it, but I don't know much about it. Like, are they still like a thing, actually? Like, yeah. Alright, guys, 30 seconds, then the 15-minute shuffle is come and gone. Nas, as I said, I'd like to buy, but I can't buy that, guys. I need a bit of a pullback there. Yes, sis. US30. I can't do anything on US30 yet. DXY still going lower. Gold. Gold's not giving us anything. Who was it that asked me about your TP? 1976. You might still hit that TP today. I would prefer estate or apartment. My car is a BW number plate, so I'm scared of hijackings. Yeah, no, bro, but listen, there is a lot of estates and apartments. It's actually a very nice apartment. So, yeah, I want to actually move into a new place early next year. That's like one of our goals. That's also why I got the car I got now, is to kind of build up that momentum. We're looking at a new place next year, and then, yeah, that will probably be in an estate or a complex. But yeah, that will happen then, bro. So there is a lot in the area. Like, there's a lot. If you really wanted to, you can go move into the same estate as Chris. You can go bother him all the time. But again, yeah, bro, hijackings, you won't get hijackings in the areas. Like the areas we stay in, that's one thing. You won't get a hijacking. Nas isn't stopping. I have 3 Rottweilers. Tends to prevent break-ins. Yeah, 100%. What card you got? I got a BM 1 series. Went on a road trip recently and stayed in PE Central on Pearson Street. Biggest mistake of my life. Don't air me if you don't know the area. Yeah, no, okay, bro. The minute you said like Central, like that was your biggest mistake. That's one thing people have to understand. Like PE Central, like city center, is not Cape Town city center. They are very opposite things. Sounds like a great plan. Cape Town's a great place to visit, but gets too expensive to stay in, bro. That's what I said literally as well. I love Cape Town. I love it. I live there, but I wouldn't want to live there again. I'd have it as a holiday place and stuff like that, a holiday destination, but wouldn't want to live there. It's too busy. The traffic in the mornings is chaos. And I always feel like when you do something too often, you kill the vibe. Like when you live there, Table Mountain just becomes another mountain. Everything just becomes like so ordinary. It loses that specialness about it. And then you actually start to see all the bad about it. Let's see. Lol. Then you get Imran Ghazi, who said that he loved Cape Town because it's so much cheaper from the States. Facts. You get so used to the aesthetics. Oh, 100%. Central equals hijackings, kidnappings, drugs. Basically all the bad things you see in the movies. 100%. Come on, guys. Let's see if we can get a trade here. Again, I'm not going to force something. I've had a good trading day, so I'm not going to force anything. But let's see if we can get something. Alright. Maybe see. Let's see if Nas can give it to us. Yeah, and Keegan, how long have you been trading full time, and what did you do before trading full time? Always inspirational hearing those stories. So, bro, I've been trading full time basically from this year. Before that, I basically managed a bar. Family friends of ours own a little bar in the area we stay in. So it was a nice, like, small communal bar. I just managed that basically, doing the normal long hours, all that type of stuff. And well, before that, how I got in that position was obviously I played professional sports, and then I just had some bad injuries, which caused me to obviously leave that part of my life behind. And then I went to the bar, and from the bar into now full-time trading. So guys that know me would know, like, I'd sit at the bar early in the morning, like the quiet hours, sitting there trading. I still got a blind head with my gold every week though. Haven't got tired of that yet, bro. I'm glad for you. This man over here, I don't hike. When the sports days ended, the cardio ended. Were you happy in the bar? Yeah, I was happy. It was a different stage of my life. I always say to you guys, you outgrow, your life is like chapters. So you need to be prepared to close that chapter to start the next one. And yeah, I don't look back on it. I have nothing against it. These days I miss it. I miss talking to the people, the regulars. But yeah, it's just, it was time to close that chapter and move on to the next one. Gold has moved more than 200 pips after the news of CPR. Yeah, it's going to be a massive day. Massive inspiration. Really appreciate it. And you, Jev?
What's the question?
How long have you been full-time trading, and what do you do before trading full-time?
So full-time since COVID. So when COVID came, actually markets crashed and stuff like that. I made money on the crashes. So mom and dad was unemployed. They couldn't work. I'm in my first 5 figures in one trade in 2020. Before that, first job, I had to convince people to make debt sales, like selling them accounts. Second job then was in a call center for Stock Market College. I found out that they a scam. That's where obviously trading came in. Left them. Then at Woolworths, saved up some money, quit, and then thinking that, oh, I know how to trade now, And then obviously I was humbled by the market. I had to reinvest into my education and stuff like that. And because I messed up in that sense, I basically I didn't have a job for, I would say, close to 2 years. So it's really hard finding a job. So then from there on, I actually had to become a bartender. But because they also needed a cleaner, I was technically a cleaner. So I had to do dishes, I had to clean people piss and shit, I had to sweep floors, I had to mop floors, things like that. And then I would never forget it also while struggling. Jacques, a good friend of mine, he's married to Courtney Cavender. He basically gave me a 200 Rand account, and then he told me, bro, flip it, do what you can. And I would never forget it. I was still at Thirsty Turtle trading a 200 Rand account, and within a day I flipped it to 1.2. And that's basically where I started seeing the edge with flipping accounts and stuff like that. And then eventually I got fired, and since then I haven't worked a job, and I just went full time after that. That was like mid 2019.
What did you get fired for? Okay, wait, so I'm not saying that on camera.
No, so to be honest, I got set up. So back then, for those of you guys who don't know this, I was actually a very messed up person back in the day. So I'm obviously a colored boy. I come from the ghetto and stuff like that. One of the main things there to have fun is, drugs. So I was on drugs for a very long time. And even while I was a bartender, the previous bartender that worked there, he came there one night and he told me like, yo Jeff, let's do some things. So I did it with him. Then he went to my boss and told my boss to test me and then set me up, and in the end, he took my job. But good for him. He needed the money more than I do. So, and if that didn't happen, I wouldn't be sitting here right now, for instance. So everything happens for a reason. Yeah. Feel like I just exposed myself there.
Nah, bro, we all did stuff. We're all young. We lived. The song made it more dramatic. Hello, always watching. Could you add a clock to the stream so we can see if there's a delay? It's about a 5-second delay, I think it is. Maybe even less. But yeah. What are the odds I got scammed by SMC? Quick Trade still has 100k profits of mine.
Look, the guy who owns Quick Trade, Ardus van Plitzen, if you're watching this, I do not forgive, I do not forget. So, yeah, stay away from Quick Trade if anyone has an account there. If you do have an account there, withdraw your money. Get away there as fast as you can. Yeah.
GJ killing, awesome stuff, bro. Also a massive inspiration. I'm actually working on a restaurant, but my passion are the markets. I'm spending night and morning when I'm off from work for studying and trade. You guys will give me inspiration for my dream. Thank you. Oh, such a pleasure. Don't give up on that dream. You can make it a reality. I promise you that you can. We all have a
Do you guys want to go deep into some, I wouldn't call it conspiracy, but metaphysical thoughts? So you wouldn't have a desire for something unless you're capable of achieving it. So what you said now, Danielle, working in a restaurant, but you have other visions. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. It's all a matter of actually projecting your steps to make that a reality.
There we go. Let's go, Jev. Wow, guys, look how far you have come. It's been a roller coaster. Like those. And I always say people, you want people to try to experience those moments, how you felt in that moment. And I wouldn't even say passing that live account. You think that's amazing. But I promise you, wait until you get that first payout. That first payout, it hits different. It's so special.
I feel like in general, even like the moment you make your first big withdrawal and you actually like maybe hold in your hands and you see all this money that you've made from your phone, that feeling, knowing that it's an amazing feeling. It's really an amazing feeling.
Inspiring story, James. I started last year. How long do you think it would take me to become as profitable as you guys? Everyone's story and adventure is different. Keep in mind, our journeys aren't the same. For example, you can't say that in the sense of you might put in half the time I put into the charts. You might not be as dedicated as what I was. You might not really even understand it as much, the concepts. So again, you can't say it's like one type of thing, but the one thing I can tell you about it is it's not a get rich thing overnight. If that's what you think it is, you're in the wrong industry, and I'll tell you that now. But it varies from person to person.
Let me add on to that as well. I'm not saying don't focus on becoming profitable. Focus on trading to pay your bills, for instance. Knowing that if you make $10, that's, for instance, 50 rand electricity, that's bread, that's milk, that's eggs, the basic essential things. Focus on just okay, I know you can also say this in the past, trading for your bread and butter can be a lot of pressure. But if you're working a job as well, you have that other income. So literally, if you can just make extra $10 a day, literally just to cover your basic essential needs, you will see eventually how that extra profits will compound on your account. And think about it as well. Remember, in order to become financially free, for instance, you will need much better cash flow. So if you want to actually save your salary, if you make $50 a week from trading, that's basic groceries. And so I'm trying to say, then you can literally keep your salary. So that will then open other doors for you to do other things with your money.
Yeah, one day I will own a Porsche GT3 RS. That's yeah, we all have those, bro. Trust me, we all have those moments. First paycheck will make things real. Y'all know it, Wi-Fi money too real. Money is crazy. My first ever 100k, I literally slept with it. Yeah, it just hits different. I have 5 lost trades in 2 days. You overtrading, bro. Straight away I can tell you that you're overtrading. Danielle, you will get there, bro. That's my current goal, waiting to pay the bills. Can you please tell me which downloader to use to download live videos?
You can literally just go on YouTube and search YouTube video downloader. All you have to do then is put in the link from that video and it will download. So obviously it's a long stream, so it will be a big video. So just make sure that you have enough space for that as well. Just something to think of. But I don't think there's a difference between live and uploaded video, because technically it goes through as an upload.
I've been trading for 5 years, 2 years of losing money and debt. Only made my first ever 10k withdrawal in the 3rd year. My PL has just been getting better ever since. Trust the process, new traders, 100% guys. It is a journey. You just got to be patient with it. Look at gold. I'm looking at gold. Jevin Keys, will you guys stop trading in December? I noticed that the market barely moves around the 15th of December till the 10th of Jan. That's because a lot of companies stop trading. Personally, I'm going on holiday on the 15th, well actually the 14th already, because the 15th is a public holiday. So I'm actually going on holiday on the 14th, so I will be out of office. But Chris and Jay Rizzle are doing the night shift. They will still be here.
Yeah, I won't be trading Forex, stocks and gold and stuff like that from, I would say, from the 10th of December. But December, I'm definitely going back to synthetic indices.
Yeah, so they will still be here. I won't, but they will be here for you guys. So I think, when it comes to New York sessions, Chris will help out there. Jevin Keeks, where you guys? Oh, that was the one answer. Dang, I'm close, my friend. Thank you. You guys give solid advice. Where are you going to, mate? Going to Joburg. Gonna go visit my dad in Pretoria. So gonna go there, and then we'll decide closer to the time what we're gonna do for New Year's. But we'll probably come back to PE, obviously, for Christmas with family, and then we'll see what we want to do. US30 at, what is this, weekly key level. So let's see what US30 does here, guys. All of these are one-way trades, guys, so trust me, I'd love to take a trade with you guys, but these type of markets, there's not much you can jump into.
No, honestly, I don't even think I want to trade for it today. It's just
like, I'm not going to give you guys a trade where there's a high possibility. Because you have to understand, you can take a trade like this now, enter, oh, it's going to carry on going up, and that wicks your stop and does that. Like, they're just so volatile. All these candles, keep in mind, like, those were the candles the whole day. Now you're getting candles like this, yeah, you're just going to get wicked. So I have to wait for some type of structure to form, and nothing's being formed. Nas US30 gave me one, but that executed before I could enter. So yeah, just nothing as of yet, guys. Enjoy. Can we conduct fundamental analysis on synthetics?
No, you can't, because it's not backed on anything. Synthetic indices is in a private liquidity pool with the RIV. The RIV is the market maker, which means they manufacture the supply and demand.
Well, there we go.
And then Nathan's question, what is synthetic indices? The best way to describe it is, it's a fugazi, it's a woozy, a wazi, it's a that's the best way I can describe it. It doesn't technically exist. It's purely a code that's backed by the RIV's technology. They have a shitload of money, so that's why they can do that, and they have monopoly on synthetics. So yeah, it's purely like, I can't describe it as like an index. Okay, it's indexes basically, but it's not backed on anything. It's not real. It's purely based on imagination.
All right.
Car culture says synthetics is gambling. I don't think it's gambling. I actually found my success in trading to synthetic indices.
Don't worry, bro. I don't trade it either. So the streams will continue. They will continue. I'm just waiting to see if I can catch the rockets. Ooh. Land Cape Town for New Year's, drinks on me, accommodation on me. Bro, my other buddy actually wants us to come up there as well. He's already like, bro, like he hasn't seen me in a while. He's like, you must come up here, come crash by him and we'll Jill. So we'll see what happens, maybe. GJ, time to sell. We aren't looking at GJ, bro. VIX will make you emotional. I love it though. It's a crypto-based algorithm. TMI. I have never even tried synthetics. Neither have I, bro. And trust me, I'm not planning on trading it anytime soon. Nas TP on bar. Well, it would be at the TP. Oh, that's US30. Let's see, yeah. I'd probably just aim for this R2 because you're already above these highs here. So either you literally are going to start getting resistance at these highs, otherwise the R2 over here on the daily. So 1.5, I'd just say 1.5880 just to make it a nice round number there as your TP. That's if you want to keep holding out. I don't know where you entered from. Last year market didn't act much different on December, but it's kind of unpredictable what's going to happen. Have you realized most of the scammer account management influencers are synthetic guys? Keegs, what is Justin doing at Vault? Is he also trading full time now?
Who's that? What's that?
Johan.
Johan?
Johan Niemann.
No.
No, he's not.
Listen. Slippage, delays. I can't stop. I literally paid 120 rand commission right for my loss. On the valuation, I paid 2,500 rand for my commission now.
Wait. Back on now.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that, Johan. We're just discussing something private here quickly. Now because he asked when's he getting his next Uber, and then he's in
Oh,
quiet.
yeah, and
And
this
then he
wasn't
said,
about.
and then he said, I didn't mean to ask such a deep question and pause the stream.
Yeah, that was because of that. Lol, I thought my phone was vibrating. Nas probably made millionaires today. Yes, bro. That would be mental.
Yeah, definitely. I agree with Boss Bobby there. We could literally get some like 50 more likes. We'd really appreciate that.
Did you find anything? What did you find that entry you're looking for? No, guys. As I said, I'm not gonna force something. Yeah, we had massive news. Markets have literally just been going one way. Like I can't try force the entry, guys. Can't try force an entry. So it's not that I want to be.
I think what's gonna happen with the market now is they're gonna most likely hold these ranges, and then after 6 we're gonna have start seeing some pullbacks, and obviously we're gonna have the Asian range, and then tomorrow we're gonna see some good trades again. Because most of them moved. Almost all of our pairs moved. All of our pairs moved.
Yeah, and there's no other news for the rest of the day. Tomorrow we obviously got GBP.
That was hectic.
What the hell was that?
Didn't Justin close the door too loud? Maybe.
I thought he was fall on the stairs. Because how did we hear that the case just like sitting there? Alright, yeah, this is the thing, guys. There's no other news really that's going to impact the markets for the rest of the day. So as I said, these will basically be confirmations for the rest of the market. But tomorrow we got GBP CPI in the morning, and then we got PPI for the dollar tomorrow. So that can be that little bit of retracement we may be looking for. Don't think it's going to change the outlook of the markets, but just be that retracement. So yeah, nothing really I think is going to happen for the rest of the day, guys. Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I really don't think anything else is going to happen for the day. Imagine entering a standard on that wick and holding, bro. That would be crazy, yo. Would have been insane. Especially like Nas, yeah. Oof. Beautiful. US30 would have been amazing, because literally that, not even a wick. Not even a wick.
Oh yeah, guys, forgot to mention this. Any one of you guys in the chat wants to have a one-on-one session with me, just let me know. It's free of charge. Just let me know what you need help with. We can discuss a time and date, either online or in person. Then you can have a free session with me. Just wanted to mention that.
Does CPI give indication of what direction PPI might go and how that will influence direction of markets? If you understand market analysis and fundamental analysis, it does. So you need to go start looking back, go look at the results of these and what they meant to the markets. Start having an understanding of how countries are run, and you'll start putting the pieces together and you can start predicting these. Keeks, when is the next tattoo? Bro, I haven't had a tattoo in forever. Unfortunately, shout out to my tattoo artist. We are thinking of you, bro. He recently got diagnosed with cancer. So he's had to close the tattoo shop while he undergoes treatment. but he's still young. He can fight it. We're all backing him. So I definitely think the minute he's done and he's recovered, I will go for a tattoo again with him. But he's my tattoo artist. He's done all my work for me, so I will wait for him before I get another tattoo. I just checked, a one lot from the wick would have been 600k. That is madness. Would you say smart money concepts applies to synthetics as well, Jeff? Would you need another approach? Yeah, you can't use those strategies on synthetics. Jeff, how can we book the one-on-one?
So there's two ways you can do it. The first one is you can DM me on Instagram and then we can discuss it there. The second is I'll drop the email in the chat. You can send an email to Keegan's lover, Caitlin, and she will just let me know. So it's infope at. So just send an email to this address. Subject one-on-one session, and just drop a time and date you would like to come. Just a small heads up, all sessions must be booked 24 hours beforehand, and tomorrow is fully booked. So Thursday, Friday, moving into next week. Yep. There was one more question here was said, would you say smart money concepts also applies to indices? So yeah. And me, next tat, I've been actually, so the first time I got a tattoo, right? My mom didn't know, and I still stayed with her, and it was on my hand, so like you can't hide it.
How did you hide that?
So you can't hide it, and mind you, that night I still had to go work night shift at Woolworths. So technically, I had like this thing around my hand because it was really sensitive. So I rocked up to work with an injury on my hand, you know. And then that night when I got home, my mom was sleeping. I took the thing off, I looked at my hand and I was like, shit, this is here now, you know, I really have it, I can't take it off. That, I wouldn't say was a regret, but that's when it actually hit me like, oh shit, this is actually like real, you know. And then 2 months later, I went for another one. A month later, I went for 2 more, and my mom was like, okay, you have to slow down now. And then I never went back there again, but I'm very tempted to get something big.
Did you G's take a trade on CPI? Yeah, we did. Smashed it out the park, bro. Keys, what's your IG handle? At Keegan Van Dijk. There it is for you guys on IG. Yeah, bro, funny enough, like I got my tattoos when my first ones when I was quite young, but I always said like I get to a point now, I don't know if you ever experienced it, but like I get like my tattoos feel like I forget about them, like I forget they're there.
Yeah, especially like these on my arms, I almost never see them, and sometimes like I would take off my shirt and I'm like, oh, this is still here, you know.
Yeah.
Do you ever have a fear, Keegan, that you might have like an injury, like okay, you've been on a bike before, like falling off a bike, maybe like scraping your arms and like, you know, losing like a part of your tattoo and stuff like that? Do you have any phobias like that?
No, not really. I think I've thought about it, but I wouldn't have a phobia.
Okay.
Okay. Keys, I heard a rumor about you. What's that, bro? What rumor is that? Chris Markable is also here. Hello, Chris. No, guys, it's just remember the YouTube's logged in as Chris. So when I replied with my IG handle, it goes through as Chris, but that's not Chris type in there.
So, interesting question, Keegan. What was your most painful tattoo?
Keegs, when you're in Cape Town modular, bro, 100%. So I went up to the last ultra. I took my girlfriend and some of our friends to Cape Town. And then I did a little club hopping with them, and I took them to modular so they could experience that. I always say, if you guys haven't been there, you have to experience modular. It is absolute madness. Virgil van Dijk is your brother. He's actually my cousin, bro. My cousin. Took a beautiful long and goal from 1948 to 1961. Awesome. Let's go. My bad. No, Jev. What were you going to ask me, bro?
What was your most painful tattoo?
Most painful? Either my shin or my ribs.
Okay.
So my ribs, like, I always say, it's not like the white girls where it's like on the side. Yeah, they're always like, oh, it's your ribs. It's not sore. Like mine's in the front. Like it's on my ribs in the front. And it's big black, like thick shading.
Sure.
That hurt like bad.
How many hours was it?
I think it was like 3 hours.
Sure.
So that it wasn't that long. I've had much longer tattoos, but I was young. I think I was 17 when I got that one.
Yeah.
And then the worst one other than that would be my shin. So the shin, purely being because I was dumbass. So obviously my tattoo artist being in PE. I literally finished, we had a Western Province sevens tournament. So I played in Cape Town, we finished over the weekend. Now I'm like, okay, I'm coming back to PE on holiday now, like my season's done. So we come back and I literally have like bruises, grass burns, like all of this on my leg. And my dumbass, I'm like, no, I'm not going to sit and wait for booking. Like, we still going to tattoo. So I don't know if it was just because the shin is sore or because I tattooed over flipping bruises and grass burn and bro.
I remember
that was the first and only tattoo. Like I nearly was like tapping out. Like my tattoo, because I'm that guy. Like I will sit there, like I will sit and take the pain.
Do you know
like
about
I will cry if I have to. But like another tattoo artist was walking past, because my tattoo artist like puts his headphones in and he just like zones out, and I let him go to work, and I'm like dying, but I'm like, I'll take it. And another tattoo artist comes in, he's like looking at me, looking at this, and eventually he went to the artist, he's like, bro, take a break. Like this man's gonna pass out. Like take a break.
So before doing your tattoos, did you know about the pain chart? On your body?
Yeah.
So
well, not like when I did my first one, but like later on, I figured out about this pain chart.
Okay, yeah. So that's also my mistake. So your hands, one of the most painful places as well, and that's where I got my first tattoo. And then literally when the guy did my tat, only the lining, it was so sore, and I wanted to faint. And yeah, so I do get you like that. So that's why I'm asking how sore it was, because it's really a painful experience sometimes.
Yeah, no, it's not fun.
But it's worth it. It's worth it.
Yeah, I want to do my hands, but I was told I'm not allowed to do my hands after I get married, because I'm not allowed to have my tattooed hand in the wedding photos.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'm only allowed to finish my hand once I'm married. DXY looks like it's trying to come back a little bit now, but we'll see what happens there. We will see what happens there, guys. Alright, love it. How old are you guys? I'm 24, Jeb's 25. Alright guys, I think we're going to give it to Hoppers. We can sit and chat a bit more. Then we're going to call it. Markets just aren't giving us anything. I'd rather save my bullets. We have our wins for the day, we'll call it. And we can obviously trade again tomorrow. But we'll rather just chill out. I think, like I said, we'll give it a half past and then we'll call it. Because Jeff, you're not seeing anything, eh?
Oh no, I'm not gonna ruin my day now.
I mean, we'll even go over here. UJ, nothing. These type of pairs. EU, nothing. EJ, nothing. GU, nothing. GJ, nothing. That's it. Alright. As I say, guys, that's the thing. All these pairs, like, this is a move. So after this, the move's gone. You've missed it now. Markets won't do much more for the rest of the day. Jeff looks like Jermaine Jennings, ex-football player. What do you think?
Jermaine Jennings, let me go check him out.
I don't know who that is. Let's see it, Jeff.
Jennings, Jermaine. Come on, bro. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. Come on, man.
I love how
Nah.
the first photo that shows up. It's like a baby photo. This man looks like he's 13.
Nah, this guy looks nothing like me.
I close my chart, lord. I'm literally listening to you guys all studying. Awesome, bro. Hope we're giving you some entertainment. Guys, GJ sell, bro. We won't enter in GJ now. The move's happened. Slovenia.
Brighton, we are streaming from Port Elizabeth, the friendly city. We all the way in Cape Road, Mole Park, 189.
Jeff just told us our exact address. Now we're gonna have to put up some like bulletproof windows outside. But yeah, guys, 187 viewers, only 120 likes, guys. Can we get those likes up to 150 before we end the stream? We would really, really appreciate it, guys. And you like Shia LaBeouf?
The guy from Eagle Eye.
I have no clue who that is. Especially in the film Holes. Is he referring to you or to me now?
I have no idea who he's referring to. But yo, I must say, have you ever watched Holes?
I can't think of it now. It doesn't sound familiar.
I must say, guys, if you haven't watched Holes, Holes is a very good movie. It's a very good movie.
Yeah, Daddy, tomorrow, same time as always. Yeah, London session opening bell at 9:30. And then New York session at 4 o'clock. Keegs, what lot size do you usually trade with on Volt? Depends, bro. It depends. Yeah, really depends, bro. I'm from Durban, but currently residing in Dubai. Awesome, bro. Wait, what's the time there? What's the time in Dubai at the moment?
So it's 2 hours ago, so it's 7:30.
Damn, already 7 there now. Like on a trade, you are 100% confident. Okay, hold on. Let's clarify this. So, are we talking as in like my private account or in a funded account? 7:45 p.m. Damn.
Are you finding it in Dubai, Brighton? And what are you doing that size since you're from SA, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah. Yes.
But I told him he needs to set up that lag as well.
Yeah, they need to execute immediately. Your private live account. So, okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's a different thing. My live account isn't with Volt, so I don't trade. I use Volt Funder, but my live account isn't with Volt. Just because of spreads and stuff like that, guys. If you want to trade indices, 100%, but it's not with their currency pairs, so I can't over there. Is that a sell zone, bro? Can we sell or keep buying? On what chart? What you use? Okay, bro, I can't give you that one. I can't say that, yeah. Like, come on, you have to understand. I can't say that, yeah. As you always say, we are for the people, so I won't lie. But I can't, some answers I can't give though. You guys will stop asking these deep questions, not good for the stream. I personally use AccuMarkets and XNS as my main accounts. Volta only funded last week, lol. I'm gonna say you're on the right path. Let's leave it there. You're on the right path. Okay, I understand. Can you look at? Don't look at that, bro. Trying to get keys in trouble, literally. Yeah. But alright, guys, I think we're gonna call it there. Markets they are not doing anything, guys. So I think we are gonna call it there. I really appreciate you guys all joining in all the time. Love chatting with you guys. I'm so happy for those that got the little hints this morning and could catch CPR. The rest of the time, guys, don't worry, we will catch more. There will be plenty more to come. And then, yeah, we'll be back same time tomorrow. Jeff, are you joining me in the morning again?
Tomorrow is full, unfortunately. But if anyone cancels, I'll tap in.
Yeah, alright. So we'll see. Maybe Jeff will join us in the morning. Otherwise, it would just be us chilling out in the morning again, guys. But Jeff will be in New York session, though.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to be here every single day.
Yeah, there we go. So that's it, guys. We will see you guys in the morning tomorrow. Be sharp, be squared, don't be late. And let's make some money as always tomorrow. It's myself and Jeff. Peace and love, guys. Cheers.
Awesome, guys. Check you guys tomorrow. What a god there. you